Hello guys and welcome back to my another vlog. I hope you all are doing great. So guys, आज आम वयता Bamanbudo Waterfall. हे वॉटरफॉल गांवडीकरी विलेजी पडटा. सो थिंग वचपा आमकां काणकोणा आनी नेत्रावळीचो रोड घेवपा पडटा. So friends, this waterfall flow across the road, so reach is very easy. कितना कुछ है The drive to this is absolutely scenic during monsoon season. Lush green everywhere. So guys, I really don't know ये कौन सा शॉट है, बट बड़े अच्छे से इसने कैप्चर किया है. So guys, we almost reached to our destination and here we are. So guys, you can park your car and bike on the roadside. 5 steps and you are under the water. Guys, this too cascading waterfall on different level makes it spectacular. The water is clear, fresh, and if you sit by the rocks, you get a fish spa absolutely free. So guys, we had a lot of fun today, and that's it for today. If you like my video, please like, share, comment and do subscribe my channel. Till then, bye.